There are two types of marketers. One say, I use ChatGPT for emails. The other says, we waste 3 hours a day on a lead data. I can fix that with AI. One knows tools, the other solves problems. Guess which one gets promoted? Hey, I'm Martin from Growth10, and in this video, 4 out of 6, we're gonna talk about turning marketing problems into AI solution. This skill shows up in a job posting from Meta, Stripe, and top SaaS brands. It's listed as required, not optional. So let me show you how it works. Marketer A says, I use ChatGPT for emails. I know the tools. And Marketer B says, lean cleanup takes 3 hours a day. I can automate this. Or content repurposing is slow. I can build a system for that. The Marketer A knows the tools. On the other hand, you got the Marketer B who knows the business problems and know how AI is actually going to fix them. That's the difference. Here's the simple 4-step process. On the step 1, you actually find the problems. You're not gonna ask like, we should use AI. Instead, this takes 280 hours a month. Real problems measured in hours or money. Step 2, check if AI can solve that. So a good fit in here for AI is repetitive high volume tasks. Pattern matching, like lead scoring, or content at scale with email, social posts, and ad copy. Things like data analytics or multi-step workflow with logic. These are good ones for AI. The bad ones, on the other hand, is stuff like relationship building, creative strategy, crisis management. These are the bad ones. Just one-off situations with no patterns. In a step 3, you'll design a solution. So things like mapping out how the data flow, what triggers the automation, where does AI step in, what's the output, how do you measure success? These are the things you need to measure. In a step 4, you build the business case. This is how you get the budget. You show like, what's the current state, how many hours you spend on this at the moment, what's the cost, what are the errors, versus the future state, how much time you saved, what's the tool cost. Then you show the ROI. Here's how you're gonna land that in week 7. On day 1 and 2, you list every manual repetitive task in your marketing. How many hours per week or month things take, what's the cost, and rank the pain point from 1 to 10. On day 3, you take top 10 tasks, you check which ones AI can solve, cross off the ones that don't fit, and then you should have 4 to 6 left. On day 4 and 5, you're gonna pick top 3, the ones you wanna go ahead with. Map out the each solution. What triggers it? What data do you need? What the AI process? What's the output? On day 6, you build a business case for each one. Current cost versus future cost, then you got ROI. 1 page each. On day 7, you present it to your manager or teammate. You got the feedback. Is the problem clear? Is the solution believable? Is the ROI realistic? These are sort of questions you should ask. By the end of week 7, you should have 3 to 5 problems and solutions to map. With business cases, with ROI numbers, this becomes your portfolio. I've put together a free download for you. Includes all the business case templates, plus the full 12-week roadmap. And if you are my team to build those systems for you, book a call in the link description below. Next video is skill number 5, strategic AI thinking. How to build a plan you can present to leadership. See you there.